Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So we have to start with opening the camera app, so let me find it. And then after turning it on, let me try to... Okay. Then all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the left upper corner, and as you can see in this camera section, in this photo section, we've got the self timer on the second position. So let's tap on it, and we've got four different options. We've got a half of the second, 2 and 10 seconds delay. So let me tap on 10 seconds delay. It is immediately applied. What is more, we've got this information on the shutter button, thanks to which we can always check whether we've got the timer set or not. Just tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or any other time option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, we've got the photo. Great, we can always turn off the timer just by tapping on off option. After tapping on the shutter button, your device will immediately take a photo without any countdown. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.